Hello, my name is Amal Benaissa. I'm Sustainable Finance Manager at Bank of Africa BMC Group. We're a Pan African banking group based in over 30 countries, including over 28 in sub Saharan Africa. Very happy to be here today because I would like to share and reaffirm that ESG is truly a strategic pillar of everything we do. On the E front, the environmental and climate front, we've pioneered the application of environmental and social risk management system, which means that when we study and screen our investment loans, we make sure to assess any environmental and social negative impacts from our financing. In addition, since 2017, we've included a positive impact angle to assess also the positive environmental, social, and governance impacts of the companies we finance. It is worth mentioning here that in the year 2000, we were Africa's first African signatory of the UNEP-FI, the United Nations Environment Programme's Finance Initiative. And since then, we've really integrated environment in everything we do, up until recently, climate risk becoming a key strategic issue for all development finance institutions and banking. We're one of the few banks that has already integrated that at the highest level in our risk and products. On the S angle, and that's a very important angle for us, of course, as a bank, we abide by all universal standards linked to human resources, guidelines, but increasingly in the last year or two, the gender lens has taken a very strategic level, I might add. Whereas up to now, all our green financing was basically about providing financing for environment and climate. Today, all our green financing is being weaved to include integration of women-led businesses and entrepreneurs. So a good example is the recent facility we've signed onto with the EBRD last year and continuing this year. It's called Green Value Chain. So we provide financing and free technical assistance to Moroccan companies that are part of a value chain, essentially geared toward export. And we help them optimize their energy and resources within their companies. But this year, we've actually integrated a new gender lens. So we systematically ask our loan officers to check whether a business or company is owned, operated, or led by women. So this level of detail to women entrepreneurs has led us in 2019 to also launch Morocco's first Women in Business program in partnership with the EBRD, providing financing to women entrepreneurs, but also mentoring and a technical assistance. So you see, this model of blended finance is going beyond the financing as a bank, seeking to contribute with social impact, giving that extra financial advice to the women entrepreneurs that need it. In addition, we've signed on a new gender and inclusion charter that we will apply to all our group that has various pillars of diversity and inclusion. And we're very proud that our chairman and CEO last month nominated 2 more female board members. So this is all a testament to our increasing integration of gender issues. And it's very important for us, especially in this part of the world where it's fairly new, but we're really taking on the challenge, and not only in Morocco, but across the African continent where we operate. And finally, at the G, of course, the governance level, it goes without saying that as a bank, we take very seriously all the requirements that's being asked by regulators, universal best practices linked to compliance and regulatory requirements. So in terms of governance, we always take a step ahead as a leader. In terms of our board, let's say since 2019 or so, we now have a strategic E&SS committee, Environmental, Social, and Sustainability Committee, that takes all of the issues I've discussed today and more at the board level. So today it's no longer someone in sustainability and CSR that's trying to validate new actions or make something look great. We've integrated this in our business model. I would like to thank you very much for your time today, and I would be happy to take any questions.